In the short demonstration, I'm going to showcase you how to use Claude not just as a chatbot but a workspace for financial analysis using the feature project. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Okay, so once you go launch the Claude, this is the screen which you see. Now below chat there is an option of project. When you go to the project, you can create a new project. So let's say in my case I'm creating credit risk analysis assistance. So this is my project name. You can put a description in the project. I'm just using same for now. Now once you launch, you will see this kind of a screen, which means now you have option to add here instruction. Now instruction is what? Via instruction you define the system behavior. If I want, now I am replicating a kind of what exactly a credit analyst performs. I am replicating his own behavior over here. So if I go here and I have already have a document where I have listed down roles and responsibility of corporate credit risk officer. Now I'm just taking all these, whatever the way exactly a credit risk officer behave, I'm just copying those steps here. Now here are few more things you should understand. In order to write a good prompt, one need to add the personification of AI. You need to add a persona to AI. So I'm saying you are a senior corporate credit risk officer. At the same time, I'm saying what user will provide. Once my system is ready, user will provide a borrower document. So for this it is written for every borrower document uploaded by user, what exactly a risk officer performs? He refers to RBI lending guidelines. Now I need to supply RBI lending guidelines as well. So which I'll show you in some time. Now second, let's say he's a part of company ABC. So you need to provide the risk bank credit policy framework. That also you need to provide as a knowledge base. Assess the borrower using the corporate risk matrix. Now you need to provide the corporate risk matrix as well. Now these three becomes my knowledge base. Okay. Now what exactly are rules of a credit officer that you need to put here? So the rules here are that use only uploaded document and project knowledge. AI, there is a concept of hallucination where AI may give you a wrong data. So we are saying clearly here, never invent the financial data. Clearly say if some information is missing, and if you are making some assumptions, you need to clearly state those out. And then I'm saying that generate a report in a format. What exactly? Executive summary I need, business overview, financial analysis, credit policy compliance, RBI compliance observations, risk rating with justification, key risk, lending recommendation. Maintain a professional banking tone, present result in table wherever appropriate. So this is, I have defined a system behavior. I have defined that they need to refer these three internal documents to prepare this report. Now where these documents are, let me quickly show you this. So let's say I have maintained some documents here. Let me quickly show you. So here if you see, so this is my RBI corporate lending guidelines. So this is something which always we should refer latest. See, large language model or chat GPT in general, they give you result from their own learning or from their own training data, which might be outdated. So it's very important that you always refer the latest document. So this is the latest RBI guideline which I have downloaded, and here entire the some principle has been given as a sample. Now second, when you say the corporate, so I have just given a sample ABC bank credit policy document here. So why it is important? Because every company, every bank might have a different credit policy. So you need to provide that organization's credit policy wherever this analyst belongs to. So here you could see minimum business vintage, max minimum turnover, this should be minimum net worth in order for a company to qualify for this analysis. All these are the detail. Now what we need to do, we simply go to the Claude. Once we define the system behavior, we'll save the instructions. Yeah. Okay, so I have saved the system instructions here. Now as a knowledge base, whatever I wanted to upload, I will upload those knowledge base. Again, I'll go to download. I'll provide RBI guidelines. Then I provide bank policy. Sorry. Then I'll provide the company policy. Then I'll provide company rating matrix. And these three documents I have provided as a knowledge base. So all these three are uploaded now. Now the third is, it's like my chatbot is ready. What user has to provide every time when a new company comes up, user provide that documents, right? So now your chatbot is ready. And here you need to provide simply, you don't need to give any instruction. You don't need to provide because it's already been defined in the system behavior. All you need to provide is a borrower information. So as a credit analyst, every time they get a borrower document and whatever manual they have to do, all those behavior we have defined as part of the system instruction. Now let's just give click, that's all. So as you can see, I'll analyze the borrower document. Let me read it first. Everything is defined, no further prompt. It's like your assistant chatbot is ready. So here you could see, depending on the uploaded information and the system behavior, it starts giving us executive summary, business overview, financial analysis, then existing borrowing observations. Now these observations are coming from your company framework, now here you could see credit policy compliance. Now this compliance is exactly as per the compliance framework of ABC Bank. So here is status pass, failed, some because as per the compliance, whatever the threshold is defined, this is not getting as per that threshold, this company is not comply with this. So that's where it is saying it is failed. So here documents, GST return flagged as delayed, audit financial elements referenced, RBI compliance observation. So whatever RBI guidelines we have uploaded, as per those guidelines, these are the observations. Risk rating. Again, you have all the risk rating here as per the risk rating documents we have uploaded from company ABC. So again, whatever the risk is there, key risk it has highlighted. So this way your entire report company gives you, and this is not just for one company. If you have another company, you simply go you simply upload the next company document. My bad, I by mistake choose. Okay, so here you will go, I will provide another company document, right? Borrower BFX. So once you again give the another company, your behavior would be fixed, your knowledge base would be fixed, which is your system instruction, which is your credit policy framework, your RBI guidelines, everything is fixed. Your variable is every time you give a new company or new borrower detail, that will be vary. So in a user prompt, you will always give, and it will give you report again. So this is how you need to use the project in the Claude. There is a similar functionality in other tools like Perplexity. They give the different name named space and the same function. Same way in ChatGPT also provide you a different function. But most importantly, you are creating your own chat bot, which is an assistant bot, which is not referring only generic knowledge, which is referring your own company knowledge base to give this kind of report. So here you could see this is the report for, and this company has a wonderful report. Almost it is comply with all the the compliance as per the compliance policy of the bank. Same way here you could see there is a wonderful report you are getting out there. So exactly it is the digital risk analysis agent. So with this I'd like to close this, and I hope this information would be useful for you. Thank you very much.